I didn't have any idea where it had been 30 years. You know, it just kept going up and up and up, and you can see yourself by the premises we've got here, there and everywhere. It's made a huge difference.
And I always joke that Kerry found the business, and a few months later he found me to look after the business.
When I bought it in 1992, there were 3 people, 2 guys and a girl. It was a good business.
At the time, business was like a suburban pool shop. We were selling chemicals, we were repairing and making some chlorinators.
You know, which we closed down later on. It was taking up too much time, you know, for what we really should be doing.
So we started to invest in research and development. And I think once you are on that road of innovation, you never look back. It really becomes being part of your DNA.
As time went on, a range of chlorinators that were switch mode controlled. In other words, they didn't have a transformer.
And when we decided that no, we will try switch mode power supply in chlorination technology, no one believed that it ever will work.
We sell a lot of them because we've got the credibility. We know all the shortcomings that could be, and we've overcome them all, you know.
It just made perfect sense.
And then, of course, the next big thing in the 90s were the commercial machines we started building. And then all of a sudden, you know, these little clones are popping up here and there. Well, that's okay.
You feel frustrated because you spend so much money, you spend so much energy.
As I said to one of the guys, I don't mind you doing it because every time you copy one of ours, we'll have another one anyway that'll supersede it, you know.
But then it's just like a state of approval that you're doing something good.
We know what's better through, you know, trial and error. We've had many problems over the years, but we've managed to beat them all. And now, as I say, they're a thoroughbred machine and people know it.
Back in 2008, we decided that commercial technology for saltwater pool is great. But what about the Olympic size or like competition swimming pools or public swimming pools?
It's important to have the total dissolved solids, including salt, below their maximum.
So we started to work on the technology. We started to push the boundaries of electrolysis.
So you've got to experiment and work in the background to develop new things, but then go to market with something super reliable, robust, and kind of tested for time.
We found a combination of things that made it work well, and that was a big success.
People were excited to use that product because it was the first of its kind to run in such low salinity. Ecoline was something special, it was something new, it was something unique. It was why I think it was so successful.
I think to change technology, to change industry, to change business, to change everything, we were attracting people who believe in our vision, who believed in our technology, and who wanted to help us to grow this business and to be proud of what we produce on the world stage.
Well, it changed a lot, mainly because Ileana was running a lot of things in the company. I wouldn't have been able to do all that. You know, all these awards and functions that we've had and done over the years now, a lot of them. So that was a big plus.
So now the technology is widely accepted, and of course, like when it started to roll on, so now we are at full capacity at all time.
So we must investigate manufacture of anode material.
So we decided that we will invest and build a new factory.
And it wasn't easy, it's going along a whole new path really. So of course we've been making it for ourselves for a long time now. However, the time has come where other people are buying from us as well.
we had to tap into Australian engineering excellence.
With our growth over the last 10 to 15 years especially, we just couldn't supply enough. We couldn't produce enough anode in our own factory for our own use.
But we started to look outside of the box and think, what else can we do?
So we can not only keep up with our future forecasting, but it can also have us the ability for a new revenue stream for us.
We are so excited that this new opportunity will come our way.
That investment's also created an enormous capacity for export of its new domestic technology that it's developing. That's an exciting opportunity because these investments have created the opportunity for multiple factor growth.
The thing that I love most about AIS is the people, because they are really friendly. They are like my family.
It is very interesting to work at AIS. It is never boring.
Friendly environment, multicultural.
We are here like family. We help each other.
Uniqueness is most important thing I saw in AIS.
They always ask your opinion, no matter how small the decision it is. It's something I really value in the workplace, and it makes me feel like part of a family.
When you have this community spirit, you are all part of the solution for whatever problem may come. So I believe that's what AIS will always will be, belong to something bigger and to enhance life. We measure our success by more than just commercial dollar. It's more that what our contribution to our planet and our people.
The future of AIS is really bright, so everyone will take part of it, and then I believe we're gonna, rock the world.
I want to see this company will grow to the multi-billions company. We need just to work harder and smarter, as always.
Using our history, there's so many more exciting things to come in the future. So innovation is always going to be part of our name. It's always going to be something that we are going to strive towards, and we will put that kind of innovation into every single product that we launch moving into the future.
We can see that the technology is proven, and we're always pushing the boundaries.
High potential to grow domestically and international, and I see big bright things for this company.
AIS is poised for expansion of capacity through robotics, automation and upskilling its workforce. It's very much in tune with what the Australian governments and state governments are looking for Australian manufacturers. So AIS is poised to lead the way.
The legacy will be, I would think, we managed to turn around a company which is relatively small, with 3 employees. Now we're looking around 50 employees, but we've got a lot of things that we couldn't have dreamt of having back then.
I think I'm most proud of our vision to enhance life, and I'm proud of all our world's first that we developed. And I think AIS is a game changer, and it's something that we went through for the past 30 years. We are holding this position of being game changer, being visionary, being influencer in the industry, and that will not change.